I'm at the bridge that we're looking at down in Cirencester, and it's amazing what you find. An abandoned Land Rover or Range Rover, whatever it is. Range Rover. It's got a police notice on. Anyone recognise that number? Been here for quite some time. Oh, well, that's had to move it with the forklift, as you can see, the two holes. Mental, innit? Just abandoned. Good tyres. Well, the back ones anyway. Ah, they're flat. There's no on them, there's lead tread. Yep. And the former was quoted £5 to get rid of it, but now the council's going to come and get shot for now, thankfully. Wow.